my crafty people, this is me too for Upcycle Creations. I am finally back, you guys. I know I haven't been posting videos like I said I would, but like some of you know, my grandma passed away a month ago, and it has we're going through it. It's not easy, and that's the reason why I haven't uploaded videos. For today's tutorial, it's going to be pretty cool. I'm just making a wonderful, pretty cute and simple wall hanging that you can make out of the toilet rolls, toilet paper roll thingies, and CDs. That's all you need: CDs, toilet paper rolls, and glue, something to glue them with. This shape is made. I'm using the flower of life, the flower itself, and I'm building around it to actually make this wall hanging. The flower of life itself is bigger and it's a little bit different than what I'm making, but for this video, this is how I'm making it. But if for those of you who don't know what the flower of life is, it basically consists of 19 overlapping circles. It is a very common symbol of many spiritual and religious teaching around the world. I mean, this thing is everywhere. It is also one of the oldest sacred symbols known to man. So, hey, I mean, this thing, like I said, is everywhere. A lot of people know about it. And it's like in nature, like all over the place. Again, it's basically a geometrical shape that is made up of multiple overlapping circles of the same size. If you are interested in this about this topic, I have added in the description box a link to a website called Collective Evolution. These people have like different information about different topics, the flower of life being one of them, and it's pretty it's interesting. I suggest you head on over there after this video and read about some cool stuff. And also I have added a link to a channel called Spirit Science here on YouTube. These people also got all kinds of different information and all kinds of different I should have said they got a lot of information in all kinds of different topics. By any means, I am not sponsored. This video is not sponsored by either Collective Evolution or Spirit Science. I'm just being cool, and I'm letting you know where I'm getting my info from, just in case y'all start telling me stuff in the comments and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, when you go over there to Spirit Science, let them know that I send you, so they know where people are coming from. But I hope you enjoy making this. It's pretty simple. It did took me about like an hour, let's say 2 hours, because I do have a 2-year-old and I had to be mom in between, so it took me like 2 hours. But if you do it by yourself, it probably takes you like an hour. And the thing about doing this type of projects is that you get to relax. It's about upcycling stuff, and you get to relax, and you get to just enjoy what you're doing. You can paint this with acrylic paint. You can spray paint it, of course, or you might choose to just leave it like I did, and it looks more natural to me. It took me, yes, that's another thing. I made two of this wall hangings, and they're both different. And it took me about a month or two to save. No, actually, it took me longer to save all those toilet paper thingies. And I basically saved like 34. I still got some extra, but it's not enough to make another wall hanger. It's just not enough. But yeah, you want about 20 rolls just, to make sure, if you want to do 2 wall hangings. So it's really up to you. But yeah, if ask people for them. Hey, I saved mine, but you can ask somebody, to give you those. Again, you're upcycling, Well, I'm not going to talk throughout the whole video because it's going to be pretty, like a long video. I'm just going to fast forward a few parts of this video so it won't get boring. And I hope you enjoy watching the video. I mean, and try it at home too. If you do end up trying it at home, do send me a picture to my email, which is on the description box below. Again, there's the link to Collective Evolution and Spirit Sign on the description box. There is also a link to my other videos, so just go on and check those out. And for those of you that don't know about this, I am having a $20 Amazon gift card giveaway. And oh my god, I froze. I don't know what I was gonna say. The winner will be announced on June 1st, 2018. I'm thinking about doing a live stream on that, and I'm not sure yet. But again, you have to hand on back to that video. Check the rules in there too. You have to be a subscriber to my channel. You have to like, share, and comment on the video. Also, in the comments below, let me know what you want me to make. I have a lot of projects in mind. I'm making a mask, and like I'm doing a whole lot of different stuff. Some stuff outside when it gets to like be hot. We're not quite there yet. But I got a lot of things planned for this summer. And just let me know in the comments. What do you want me to do? What do you want to see here? And as always, may God bless you and keep on watching. Bye for now. Okay, so this is the final, how it's supposed to look when it's done. Of course, you can make up your own shapes and stuff. This is what I came up with. This is the one with the CDs. I'm going to have pictures at the end of this video with the one that I made without the CDs. Do stay tuned for my next tutorial because I'm going to show you how to make this mask with just newspapers and things you got laying around your house. Subscribe, share, and like. And as always, stay safe and have a good one. See you in the next video.